To start our exercise, we open the class management to set up a new mapping class for detail images. Create new, name our class, and select the type document class. See the signature for the class type, and you can adjust the size of the image frame, let's say both 5 centimeters. You can activate the display frame or auxiliary lines. Furthermore, the annotation arrow with whom we can link the detail images to areas on our object. Apply. Select our new class detail image and activate the drawing tool. And you can see the frame of 5 to 5 centimeters referring to 100% print size. With left mouse click we measure the insertion point, and in the opening window we select an image out of which we want to cut out a detail. You see the red frame similar to the navigator. With pressed mouse click you can move the frame and apply. Our section of the original image that is marked by the red frame is now cut out and copied in our project folder. Can now switch to the annotation arrow. First we click with left mouse click on our detail image. The program catches the center of the image as anchor automatically. And with a second left click we mark the other end of the arrow on our object. Repeat this for another detail and insert another detail image. Could select the same picture. At the name inquiry we enumerate our detail images, second detail, and we mark a different section of our image. Apply. Use the arrow tool again. If we wish to vary from the set size of our frame, we can do so with pressed mouse click and draw a frame of our desired proportions. We should consider to select similar proportions of our section to our frame and apply. We anchor an arrow again. These arrows have the same functions as for annotations, meaning we'll select one with the hammer tool and can now edit its endpoint. With escape we apply the changes. If we select the picture frame, we can move the detail image with the arrow still anchored. And when selecting both the picture and the arrow with pressed left mouse click, we can move both elements together. If you work with several mapping groups and each has its own detail image class, can easily happen with images of 10 to 20 megabytes and per group maybe circa 5 pictures, resulting in a required memory space of 50 to 100 megabyte. And if you then additionally use more than one group, it can seriously strain the working memory of your computer and the speed of the program. In the toolbar above we have therefore 4 tools regarding working with detail images. We start with the first button to display all picture frames, and the second tool deactivates all frames, and if we activate the frames again, only those are shown for whose class the frame display was activated in the class management. With the next two functions you can activate or deactivate the display of pictures by classes to save working memory. We click on Release Image Memory of Loaded Detail Photos. You are shown a list of all document classes and tick all classes you wish to release. You can now see only the frame and have released the image memory. For printing the project, you negate this effect by clicking on Set Display for Detail Photos. You are shown a list in case of more than one class, and reactivate our class. And could switch on and off frame and auxiliary lines here. Or decide on another resolution for the detail image in the project. You can choose between off, meaning deactivating the display, 100 print solution, adopting the project settings, or the resolution of the original picture the detail was taken from, and then see during the mapping a higher image resolution. For starters, we recommend the 100 print solution. Okay. And you can see the pictures again and print your export. We open the class management and can edit the frame color and line width. Can change the format for the arrowhead and set the resolution for the print settings. Or adjust the insertion point for the class's signature. To adjust the size of picture frames, we select the frame with the hammer tool, and similar to the editing of mapping elements, we mark the frame edge with mouse click and can enlarge the picture. The picture is scaled matching the frame size in maximal length and width, and with Escape we apply our changes.